Hey there, ice cream lovers. Soft ice cream, are you ready to discover the top 5 ice cream makers of 2025 that will blow your mind? Whether you're a dessert fanatic or just looking to create creamy, dreamy treats at home, this video is for you. We've tested, compared, and ranked the best machines on the market, and trust me, some of these results will shock you. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which ice cream maker is perfect for you. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are in the description below. Let's dive in. Asterisk. Number 1. Ninja Creami Deluxe 11-in-1 Ice Cream Maker. Of all the ice cream makers we tested, the Ninja Creami Deluxe set the standard for simplicity, versatility, and delicious final products. Thanks to its 11 presets, this machine can whip up frozen treats of all textures from different ingredients, from standard ice cream to Frappuccino-style coffee drinks to non-dairy Italian ice. The machine works differently than most. First, you'll pre-freeze the base mixture rather than just the bowl. Then, similarly to a powerful blender, the Ninja's spinning blades break up ice crystals and whip in air to give the final product the right texture. While ice cream and frozen yogurt turned out creamy in our testing lab, we have also gotten a powdery final product when testing the Creami at home. According to Ninja, this happens when the freezer is especially cold, says Associate Editor Mary Claire LeGroux, who has tested the original Ninja Creami for 2 years. Pressing the respin button makes it creamier, but you may have to add a little liquid to the pint and then respin to get the right consistency. Cleanup is easy, as the bowl and paddle are dishwasher safe. The components weren't as messy as those of other models we tested and were all easy to clean by hand. The base is easy to wipe down with a damp cloth after use. The only place the Creami Deluxe lagged in our tests was when we added mix-ins during a secondary churn. The machine is so powerful that it broke down cookie chunks into crumbs, and it didn't do a great job swirling in sauces just the right amount to stay in ribbon form. Number 2. Whynter Automatic Compressor Ice Cream Maker. A compressor-based ice cream maker costs more than a canister style, but it's also a lot more versatile. This Whynter is a tiny freezer, able to turn room temperature ingredients into frozen treats with the push of a button. It features an automatic timer for freezing ice cream and sorbet, but it also doubles as a yogurt maker with a gentle heating mode to maintain the optimal fermentation temperature. In testing, the textures of our sorbet and ice cream were both wonderful. The Whynter works somewhat faster than other compressor models, albeit slower than the pre-frozen canister style. Our biggest complaints are fairly minor. A lot of the ice cream and sorbet stuck to the paddle as we pulled it out of the machine, and we had to do a lot of careful scraping to get everything into a food storage container. Whynter is a big name in compressor ice cream makers. We've tested 6 of the brand's models, and we say the 2-quart option offers the best balance of function and price. This ice cream maker can do a lot, though it's probably best for someone who will use it frequently. The compressor is large, heavy, and will take up significant room on the countertop or in a cabinet. Number 3. Cuisinart Pure Indulgence Ice Cream Maker. An ice cream maker doesn't have to be large or complicated to be effective. We found the Cuisinart Pure Indulgence efficient and easy to use during our tests. It's compact but can freeze up to 2 quarts per batch. The lightweight machine is ideal for small kitchens. The entire setup with motor, paddle, and cover isn't much bigger than the freezer bowl. It works with ice cream, frozen yogurt, or sorbet recipes, with simply a twist of a dial to turn it on. If you want to add mix-ins, dump them through the chute on top toward the end of the churning process. With that said, the Cuisinart's ease also makes it less customizable. Our test sorbet came out less smooth than with some pricier machines with sorbet-specific settings, especially after a few hours of hardening in the freezer. You'll also need to stay below the 1.5 quart capacity line with the base mixture and mix-ins. We had to cut back on the cookie pieces in our test to avoid an overflow disaster. The other downside is that you have to pre-freeze the canister and plan well in advance to make ice cream. A compressor machine lets you do so on a whim. All in all, though, this machine is an excellent value and a great beginner option. Number 4. Cuisinart Mix-It-In Soft Serve Ice Cream Maker. Soft serve is a different beast than standard ice cream, requiring different recipes and freezing procedures to achieve that ideal not quite scoopable, not quite pourable texture. Cuisinart's mix-it-in machine not only creates and dispenses soft serve directly into a cone thanks to the included holder, but it also holds 3 toppings of your choice and keeps a cup of fudge, caramel, or other sauce warm for drizzling. It's a fun treat for kids, or the kid in all of us. However, there's a good reason that home soft serve makers are fairly uncommon. Making soft serve can be challenging. The accessories also didn't work as well as advertised. Toppings were as likely to spill on the counter as they were to make it onto the cone, and the sauce heater took 40 minutes to bring caramel from cold to barely room temperature. But with this machine, as much of the fun is in making the soft serve as is in eating it. Number 5. Breville the Smart Scoop Ice Cream Maker. With its built-in compressor and 12 hardness settings customized for different types of frozen treats, the Breville Smart Scoop is fully automatic. You don't have to pre-freeze the bowl or ingredients, it chills and churns. We got great test results and were especially impressed with how gently and evenly it incorporated mix-ins. The ice cream and sorbet also stayed scoopable after a few hours of freezer storage, while other test batches got denser and harder. Another useful setting is the Smart Scoop's Keep Cool mode. After churning, the machine keeps the finished product frozen and ready to serve for up to 3 hours on the countertop. If you're throwing an ice cream sundae party, you won't have to worry about temperature maintenance. Even using the pre-cool setting that's supposed to accelerate things, it took nearly an hour to freeze a batch. It's also quite pricey, especially for its pretty average 1.5 quart capacity. And there you have it, the top 5 ice cream makers of 2025. Party popper, which one are you adding to your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow dessert lovers, and subscribe for more delicious content like this. All the product links are waiting for you in the description, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep making those sweet dreams a reality.